How to make a man obsessed with you. Men may have different personalities, but if there's one thing they all have in common, it's their psychology. The good thing is that men are simple creatures. They don't ask for much in a relationship, but you still have to have dedication if you want to keep their attention for long. Whether you're in a new relationship or trying to rekindle that lost passion with someone you've been with for years, here's how to make a man obsess over you. 1. Learn to be a teaser. Men's smaller heads are frequently programmed, and putting off satisfying him will only increase his desire for you. Send him sexy text messages and maybe tell him what you want to do with him if you get the chance. Of course, how well you know the guy and where you are in your relationship play a role. 2. Reveal yourself little bits at a time. Never show everyone at once. When it comes to simple ways to make him obsessed with you, showing a little bit of skin, a little bit at a time, is one of the most effective. Don't give him everything he wants unless he works for it. If you want to make him obsessed with you, make him drool a little and keep your bits to yourself until you're ready. 3. Be unavailable sometimes. Just because you like someone and enjoy being around them, doesn't mean your life has to revolve around them 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, right? You still have work, responsibilities, and personal matters to deal with. Besides, men don't like being followed around. That is, if you are always present, you are not causing him to obsess over you. So, don't always abandon your current plans or put your life on hold for a guy. Make yourself unavailable on occasion. Demonstrate to him that you, too, are a busy person with your own life. Surprisingly, men find someone who is preoccupied with their own activities to be extremely attractive. It means you don't need someone else to organize your life. This way, he'll be interested in what you're doing and will ask for your time, and you won't have to bother him for company. 4. Don't be clingy. While it is important to let him know you are thinking of him, inundating him with messages and phone calls will drive him away faster than you can imagine. Needy and clingy women are never appealing, so know when to step back and give him his space. Don't confuse this with going dark or silent. For example, don't cling to his side the entire time you're at a party. Excuse yourself and join the crowd. Look his way a few times, maybe wink at him, and let him see you work the crowd. It will enrage him. 5. Investigate the competition. Make sure he sees other men looking at you if you really want to make him crazy about you. He will, without a doubt, step up to the plate if he notices another man interested in you. So, if you feel another man checking you out, don't be afraid to lock eyes for a second. If a guy sees this, it will only make him want you more. 6. Go for warmth. According to research, temperature plays a role in our attraction to others. Holding a hot or cold beverage, for example, can influence your perception of other people. If you have a warm beverage in your hand, you are more likely to perceive those around you as having warm personalities. So, if you're going on a date, go somewhere warm with a warm meal or drink. Also, whenever possible, get as close to the guy you're interested in as possible, because close proximity encourages affection, and touching is a definite turn-on. 7. Wear red. According to studies, men are more attracted to women who wear red. Red accessories, such as lipstick, high heels, scarves, purses, and so on, are thought to be more sexy than any other color. Recent evidence suggests that coloration may play a role in human mating, as reddening of the cheeks, neck, and chest is associated with female sexual excitement. So, ladies, if you really want to get your guy's engine going, consider wearing something red. 8. Smell good. Pheromones, as science has proven, are real, extremely powerful, and have the ability to truly turn on a man. So always make an effort to smell nice when you meet him. When it comes to shampoos, body lotions, and perfumes, go for sensual scents that aren't overpowering. Remember, a little goes a long way when it comes to scent. More importantly, don't keep switching perfumes. Allow him to become accustomed to your odor. Subconsciously, as he becomes more emotionally invested in you, even your scent will make him want you more. Associating a specific smell with you will bring him nostalgia and warm feelings. 9. Pay attention to your appearance. Men are visual creatures, and appearance does matter. You don't have to make every man's pants rise or look like a Victoria's Secret model anymore. I'm saying that you should take care of yourself and go the extra mile every now and then. Put on a hot little outfit, put on those sexy heels, and add some provocative lingerie, and I guarantee you'll have him on his knees in more ways than one. 10. Be subtle. If you really want a man to be obsessed with you, don't put too much effort into making him notice you. Don't put him on a pedestal, but don't forget to lift him up as well. This is a bit of a balancing act, because you don't want to go overboard with compliments. On the other hand, you want to energize him a little. Make him feel important in small doses, and he'll have no choice but to notice you for all the right reasons. 11. Be mysterious. It is a well-known fact that listening is not one of men's strongest suits. It's the reason why mysterious women appeal to them so much more. So, when you first start dating someone, don't tell him your entire life story all at once. Maintain some mystery. And, at first, keep your conversations flirtatious, casual, and general. Allow him to use his imagination to create a mental image of you. Tell him just enough to pique his interest, and he'll naturally want to learn more about you.